The creek rocks are finally done. This video is going to be done way different. Right now, I'm up here at the doctor's office waiting to go in. Okay, everything's fine. Checkup. So I got time to kill, and since today is going to be a very, very busy day for me, this is when I'm doing the video, so I probably won't do it justice. The creek rocks has been in a rock tumbler for a little bit over 4 weeks now. And two of the rocks Ronnie gave us to put in a rock tumbler. They only went for 3 weeks. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what my plans are for this weekend. Okay, right off the bat, let me show you the rocks that's going to go in a rock tumbler this time. They are going to be, well, they're all creek rocks, but they may be a couple river rocks mixed in. We kind of goofed up and we somewhat mixed them together. So we don't know if they're all creek rocks or with some of them creek rocks and some river rocks. But these are the rocks that are going to go in for the next 4 weeks. Hopefully they turn out nice and pretty and just as good as the other ones turned out. Now it's time for Angie to open the lid, and this has been my favorite times. But since this batch and the last 3 days, because what you do is you basically put them in for 4 weeks and 3 days. So the 3 days, they got these little black squares, which gives them the extra shine. We don't think it does that good of a job, but you know. So Angie's getting ready to open up the lid, and it doesn't look like clay, obviously. No. You got to remember the rock tumbler sat there as well for 2 days, maybe 3 days, without it being spinning because me was losing our pet Stormy. We just didn't touch it. I know. We didn't even think about it. We didn't even care to touch it. But, you know, she opens up the lid, and this is when we get the first sight and the first idea of what's going on. And then she's going to take it over to the sink here in a little bit. I'm probably off on this. When I'm showing the footage to you, I'm thinking in my head, okay, give it enough time for the footage to run through, Mike. You know, stay on there until everything runs through. But I didn't really do that good of a job videotaping when she was wrenching them off because she tricked me on it. So she's wrenching them off, getting them all ready to put them on the towel. So if I'm off on the footage that you're seeing, please overlook my amateur video today. I'm more than likely off on it. Okay, it's time to put them on the towel. And these rocks did come out phenomenal. They did. Oh, man. If you can remember what they look like, and I should, you know what I might do on the next batch? I might take a picture before and after to show the difference. That'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it? You would think I'd be doing that now. Wouldn't you think I'd be doing that now? Well, Mike, remember to do that when you're editing. That way you can leave a note for yourself to do that. And honestly, guys, I don't remember if I got any footage of her putting the powder in and stuff like that for the new batch. If I did get that footage, I will probably show it right after this. But yeah, the next batch, I will take a picture. Oh, shoot. I should have done that already. I should have done that already. Oh, man, I'm already goofing up, and I even started it. See, I should have put the new batch on the towel and got what it looked like, and then move the camera because I want people thinking I'm videotaping them as they're coming out of the doctor's office. And then basically, then put them in the rock tumbler. That's okay. That's okay. We will do it next time, which won't be for over a month. Oh, because by the time these are done, it'd be middle of March. Yeah, it'd be the middle of March when these are done. Oh, yeah. But guys, that's pretty much it right there. I hope I got all the footage in. I know I didn't do this one justice, but you know what? It happens. Okay, I'm going to mix this video with what I'm doing this weekend. We have plans to go hiking, okay? But what we're going to do is, now, If you remember, I said back when Stormy passed away that I was going to make a special video. The video is going to be of her and, you know, lots of footage of her and stuff like that. I can't do it, guys. Cannot do it. It's too hard. Maybe sometime in the future. I was going to put together some videos all the way from when she was a puppy, when we first got her, and through the years of nothing but her. I was going to do something like that, but I can't do it yet. I just can't. If that ever happens, it'd be in the future. I don't know when, but I don't know if it's going to happen. So instead, we're going to go to some of the, well, I would say some of Stormy's favorite places we hiked, but she loved all of them, guys, every single one. But we're going to go to a couple places that we've actually hiked at the most with Stormy. Yes, there's a couple places we've been to multiple times. So these are the places that Stormy knew very well. That's what our plans are tomorrow and Sunday. All right, guys, I know this ain't the 25-minute video you seen yesterday or the last one. Holy, I did not mean to make it that long. My apologies for that alone. But sometimes they may be that long and longer. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go because it's about time for me to head in. And you guys have an awesome day. And come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you. We should be able to see you on the next couple hiking adventures, which would be done a little different too. Yeah. So we'll see you on some hiking adventures. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. I think I said that once. We'll see you soon.